Hi everyone, I am M. Purnima Devi working as an assistant professor under AI/ML department in SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to teach about HTML basics. So, web technology. So, web technology refers to the various tools and techniques that are utilized in the process of communication between different types of devices over the internet. So, in early days, without internet, nobody can survive. In early days, only not. So now, so today or tomorrow in future, so nobody can survive without internet. So internet, what do you mean by internet? Internet means the things which we will get information from through some resources. So using the internet connected by different types of devices. Web browser is used to access web pages. So web browsers can be defined as programs that display text, data, pictures, animation and video on the internet. So web browsers can be defined as it is an one kind of a programs that display of course text, data, pictures, animation, video, etc. on the internet. Hyperlinked resources on the wide web can be accessed using software interfaces provided by the web browsers. Web technology can be classified into the following sections: World Wide Web (WWW). The World Wide Web is based on several different languages. So, of course, web browsers, hypertext markup language, hypertext transfer protocol. Web browser. So, web browser is an application software to explore WWW World Wide Web. It provides an interface between the server and the client and a request to the server for web documents and services. So, web server. Web server is a program which processes the network request of the users and serves them with files that create web pages. This exchange takes place using hypertext transfer protocol (HTTP). Web pages. A web page is a digital document that is linked to the World Wide Web and viewable by anyone connected to the internet has a web browser. So if anyone have a internet, we can easily access a web browser and we can easily access the web pages. So web development. Web development refers to the building, creating, maintaining of websites. It includes aspects such as web design, web publishing, web programming and database management. It is the creation of application that works over the internet, that is websites. So web development can be classified into two ways. So front end development and back end development. So part of a website that the user interacts directly is termed as a front end. If a user directly interact with the terms, for example, part of a website means it is a front end. So it is also referred to as the client side of the application. Backend development. Backend is the server side of a website. It is a part of the website that users cannot see and interact. It is a portion of software that does not come in direct contact with the users. It is used to store and arrange data. Front end development languages. So the front end portion is built by using some languages which are discussed below. HTML. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is used to design the front end portion of the web pages using a markup language. So HTML is a combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. The markup language is used to define the text documentation within the tag which defines the structure of web pages. CSS. Cascading style sheets, fondly referred to as CSS, is a simply designed language intended to simplify the process of making web pages presentable. JavaScript. JavaScript is a famous scripting language used to create a magic on the sites to make the site interactive for the user. It is used to enhancing the functionality of a website, to running cool games and web-based language software. Ajax is a acronym for synchronize JavaScript and XML. It is used to communicate with the server without refreshing the web page and thus increasing the user experience and better performance. So HTML. So HTML is a language of the web used by millions of websites to create the pages you see every day. So want to learn HTML from scratch and make your web pages? This tutorial is for you. So in this HTML tutorial, you will learn how to use HTML to create and style web pages. You will start with the HTML fundamentals such as basic HTML tags and their attributes, classes, layout, and responsiveness. Then you will move to advanced HTML5 topics such as HTML formats, media, APIs, and more. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid foundation in HTML. So what is HTML? So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So it is a standard markup. It is a standard language used to create and design web pages on the internet. Of course, we are all of them know about hypertext markup language. So it is introduced by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 at CERN as a simple markup language. Since then, it has evolved through the versions from HTML 2.0 to HTML5, the latest 2024 version. In 2024 version, HTML5 that web pages and all used. So HTML is a combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages, and markup languages defines a text document within the tag. So what is HTML? So HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. It is the standard language used to create and design web pages on the internet. It has introduced by, of course, we already defined. So Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 at CERN as a more simple markup language, and it is a combination of hypertext and markup language. So hypertext defines a link between web pages, and markup language defines a text document within the tag. So hello world program in HTML. So this is an example for example program of HTML. So this is only a basic syntax. So now I am going to write a program using that is an hello world program using HTML. So first we have to header file. Put a header file. So HTML. So head title HTML tutorial. Okay. The title. We have to open the header file. We no need to put that slash symbol, and we have to close the body. Means we have to put a slash symbol. So head closed, and title also closed, and body also closed. So h2 welcome to GFG. So head 2 closed. So hello world, I don't give up a bug. So HTML. This is a basic programs of an HTML hello world problem. So write a output in the comment box. Thank you.